we're about to crush this car. This is a Chevrolet Blazer or GMC Jimmy, I'm not sure, with a Cat 313. See what happens. Oh my.
I'm gonna go over there.
What's wrong, Winston? Whoa! Come here, Lexi. Come on. Come here. Does he know that manhole cover's over there? Does he know that manhole cover's over there? That sewage?
Yeah.
What's he gonna do? Stack them? What's he trying to do?
Well, he's supposed to just be pushing the Nissan out.
Lexi, come here. Come. Sit. Wait right there. Do it sideways. Is that yours? Is that yours? Lexi, come. You don't want any of that. Come here, sit. Sit. Better see how many he can stack high. Come here. Lexi, come here.
Hope that thing don't come back towards him and like bust the glass on the cab.
Yeah. I think he just realized that.
He might have figured that out.
Yeah.
Blazer comes up.
Oh yeah. Yep. Oh. Oh. Holy smokes. Oh, oh, oh.
Nissan is probably still crank up.
You hear something spewing? Holy smokes. Why did a PVC pipe come out the bottom?
I think he had a spark in there.
Oh. Is that a tire? Pure joy. Lexi, come. What's wrong with you? You don't want any of that. Oh, oh. Nope, not getting away. What's the gas in it?
Yeah. It's got like 3
That's the gas tank, isn't it?
Something hit the window.
Huh?
Something hit the window.
Are you serious?
That was loud.
Hey, isn't that the gas tank? It was a nut popped off?
Yeah. It was probably glass. Holding the light on.
No, I saw it. It looked like a lug nut.
I don't know, all the lug nuts from there.
No, I saw it.
One lug nut.
I'm counting all the lug nuts.
Oh, this might be gas.
Oh, I think that's clear. Where's Lexi? Lexi!
Lexi!
Come!
Come!
Sit! Stay! Stay! Holy. Here's some spewing, you hear it? Man, the frame is hard. The frame is tough. You can tell when you...
Nothing else is. That was a fun car.
Yeah. Well, you guys are getting your money out of it. Ah. Okay, the gas has got to go. All right. Whoa, whoa! Get a little too close. Try to take the motor out. Is that thing still crank?
Yeah, it's running because it takes forever to freeze up. Not the Nissan.
Alright, now it's Winston's turn. Oh, now the gas is coming out. You see the gas coming out? Hey, hold up. If it sparks,